Three identical circles with a radius of 20 centimeters are held together with a rope. How long is the rope? If you want, you can pause the video now. Otherwise, I will solve this problem in 3, 2, 1. Okay. The first thing I'm going to do here is to connect all the centers of the circles like this. Notice I create an equilateral triangle that has angles of 60 degrees each. And remember, we are told the radius of the circle is 20 centimeters, and hence we have 20 and 20 over here. So therefore, the side length of the triangle is 40 centimeters. Next, I'm going to draw line segments from the center of the circles to the rope. So these two. And also notice here, they create perpendicular lines, meaning the angle between the radius and the tangent of this circle is 90 degrees. And also, can you see, we have created a rectangle. So this part of the length opposite is going to be 40 centimeters. So all of these straight parts of these ropes are 40 centimeters. So here we now know the length of the straight parts of the rope. Next, we need to work out the length of these three arcs around the circle. So around the point of the circle, we already have the 90 degrees and this 60 degrees in the equilateral triangle and another 90 degrees in the rectangle, and we can work out the angle in the arc, right? So we already know that angles around the point add up to 360 degrees. So this angle here is simply going to be 120 degrees. Okay? So to find the circumference of any circle, we know it is 2 pi r. So therefore, the length of one arc, the part of the rope surrounding the circle, is 1/3 of the circumference of the circle. This comes from the angle of this sector being 120 over 360 simplified to 1/3. So therefore, the length of the arc is going to be 2 pi r divided by 3. If we now substitute our radius of 20, we are going to get 2 times pi times 20 over 3. Simplified, it will be 40 pi over 3. And all of this length of the arcs are all going to be 40 pi over 3. So to find the length of the rope, all we need to do is to times 3 by 40 pi over 3 and add the straight parts of the rope, which is 40 centimeters plus another 40 plus another 40. We are going to get 40 pi plus 120, and this is approximately equal to 246 to the nearest centimeter. That's it.